Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala. Today I'm doing yet another wearable, everyday, colorful look. This is the look that I came up with all my own products, nothing new. If you want to see how I come up with this look, please keep watching. To start this look, I'm going to use the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint SPF 40 in the color Balos ST3. I don't know if the ST3 means anything, but that's what it says. At the bottom, I'll just add a few drops here, and then I just blend it in with my hands like it was a tinted serum, which it is. Happy Friday to everybody. I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing something either relaxing or fun this weekend. Catching up on work, I don't know. Whatever it is you guys are doing, hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, I like this serum feeling. This time I didn't have any primer underneath because it is a serum itself. I don't want my base to be overly sticky, and that's a pretty good place to stop with the stickiness. For concealer, I'm using the Nars eye brightener. Yeah, those two together have a really nice finish. It's a little bit dewy at the moment, but it'll sort itself out soon. For a highlight, I'm going to use a different one today. This is the Eldridge Seamless Skin in the color Crystal Nebula. I like to be pretty generous with this because it has like a barely there, like this really beautiful quality to it. I could use my fingers, but I might just tap it in with a brush. On winter skin, I could definitely see like the yellow. I didn't realize it as much in the summertime because I tend to go a little bit more golden, but I can definitely see the yellow. Okay, now things are looking a little bit shiny, so I'm going to use this Mercier powder and just bring down the shine in all the places. See, even when powdering right over that highlight, you can see that shine, and it's really, really pretty. So I just kind of brought everything down. I'm going to do my lips first. So the McGrath lip liner in the color Structure is the chosen lip liner for today. And the lipstick I've chosen for today is Honeylove by MAC. It's been a while since I've used these MAC lipsticks, so I thought it'd be nice to do that today. And then I'm going to fill in my brows really quick, jumping back up to the eye area. This is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist. I mention in every single video of mine until it's gone. There it is in the color Dark Brunette. And moving on, I'm going to do the bronzer, and this is just my depotted Hermes bronzer in the color Sahara. So I'm going to use that color today. And yeah, there's no kick up at all with this bronzer. It's pretty, I don't know, baked in there, gelée form. I'm not sure what form it's in. It's a powder, that's all I know. And then for blush, I am doing Mood Exposure by Hourglass. Yeah, just like one dip in there. I guess I was going like this. You can get both cheeks to have just the right amount of pigment. And see, you can still see that glow underneath. It's just really pretty, that liquid highlight. It's looking really nice. And then for eyeshadow, I left it for last. It's the Lisa Eldridge, the liquid eyeshadow, liquid Lurex, in the color Daphne. I love these kind of colors, and I love these kind of one and done shadows. Just look at that color. Wow. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna just blend it out one lid at a time. Yeah, that's really pretty. And then I was going to add just some brown eyeliner on the lash line. Just a small wing there at the end. And last but not least, I'm going to do the mascara, which is just the Give Beauty mascara. Oh, the eyeliner was the Sephora Collection 24-hour waterproof one in the color Tiramisu. All right, and that pretty much completes the look. I wanted to do yet another everyday creation, everyday look with the makeup that I already own. And I love to create lots of combos with all the different colors and different products and maybe different type of products. And I hope that this sparks creativity in your own life. I hope that you guys subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, I would love to have you. Welcome if you're new. I hope you guys are doing well. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.